welcome to your French class. Today we will attempt a mixed exercise of les articles. Okay, means article défini, indéfini, article partitif and contractés. Okay, so let's start with question 3. Compléter avec des articles. Here you have been given few options. Le, la, un, une, du, de la, etc. Okay. Now the first statement is je ne veux pas dash thon. Je n'aime pas dash poisson. Now thon is a fish, means tuna. Actually it is tuna, which is liked for its flesh. Now whenever we do negation in partitif, we use the. Okay, if you remember, if you have seen my previous videos in which I have explained article partitif, you would come to know that if you are doing negation, then we use the, de, or sometimes d apostrophe if the vowel clashes with the noun. Okay, je ne veux pas de thon. Je n'aime pas dash poisson. I don't like. Now here the verb aimer is used, and I have explained in that video that whenever these four verbs aimer, adorer, détester and préférer is used, then we always used article défini. Okay, so poisson is masculine, so we'll write le. Okay, je ne veux pas de thon. Je n'aime pas le poisson. I don't want tuna. I don't like fish. Okay, now the second one is est-ce qu'il reste encore dash cidre? Now two people are talking. One is asking a question and the second one is replying. Okay, so the first person is asking, is there any cider left over? So it means, again, it's a question. So we are talking about partitif. Okay, some cider. So you will use article partitif and it is masculine. So we'll use du. Est-ce qu'il reste encore du cidre? Means, is there any cider left over? Now the other person is replying, no, nous n'avons plus que dash vin. Now the other person is saying we have only wine now. Okay, he's saying no, we only have wine. So again, wine is a thing that when you talk about it, you use partitif. So it is masculine. You will write du for showing the quantity. Okay. Nous n'avons plus que du vin. We have only wine now. And en fait, nous avons beaucoup de vin. With beaucoup, we always use the. Okay. Beaucoup de vin. In fact, we have a lot of wine. Okay. Now the third statement is, pour préparer ce plat, il me faut dash farine, dash œuf, dash sucre, pomme, l'huile et une demi-livre dash beurre. Pour préparer ce plat means for preparing this dish, I need some eggs, some sugar, some apples, some oil, and a half kg, or you can say, if we say demi-livre, it means they are talking in pound, so half pound butter. Okay, so again, every time we are talking about things that you eat, and when we talk about it, we use quantity, some. Okay, some eggs, some sugar, some apples, some flour. Now il me faut, farine is feminine, so we'll write de la. For œuf, it is plural, so you will write des œufs. Sucre is masculine, du. Pomme, it's a plural word, you will write des pommes. Huile, it's a vowel starting word, so you will write, although we use the L apostrophe, it is already written here, so I'm not writing it again. De l'huile. Et une demi-livre de beurre, of butter, and a half pound of butter. Okay, now the fourth one is Il te faut dash vacances. Tu as l'air fatigué. Means you need a vacation. You look or you are looking tired. Okay. So, il te faut dash vacances. Tu as l'air fatigué. So, it is plural word. You need some vacations. We'll write they for showing some. Now the fifth one. As-tu lu ton nouveau manuel dash français? J'y trouve dash exercices utiles. There are some useful exercises. So again, as-tu lu ton nouveau manuel dash français means have you read your manual of French or French manual. So of French, the sense is giving of. So here you will write the, because the is used for of. Okay, article contracté. As-tu lu ton nouveau manuel de français? On y trouve des exercices, because the word is plural. On y trouve des exercices utiles. Okay, there are some useful exercises. Now the sixth one is veux-tu dash café? Again, it is a conversation between two. Veux-tu dash café? Do you want some coffee? Veux-tu du café? For showing the quantity of coffee. Café. I have used you. It's a masculine word because. Okay. Now the person is replying no. J'ai déjà bu dash café que tu m'as versé tout à l'heure. Means that the person is saying no, I already drank the coffee that you poured me or you poured for me earlier or a while ago, tout à l'heure. Okay. J'ai déjà bu le café que tu m'as versé tout à l'heure. Okay, I already drank the coffee that you poured for me earlier or a while ago. So this was your exercise of les articles, mix exercise of article définis, indéfinis, partitifs and contractés. So we'll do some more exercises in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Thank you.